Good morning to all. So today we are going to discuss about the relation, functions and relation and poset. See, basically we know that already you learned in plus 1, plus 2 and all, there is a function. So function, it is a one-to-one function and onto. So there is a one-to-one function, it will be the corresponding to the value 1 to 1 and onto the corresponding value is 1 to many. See, many to 1. See, in this function going to be a relation f to g. So in this relation, basically the equivalent relation will be called it as first one. The basically three conditions will be satisfied. That is called a relation. First one is reflexive. Second one is symmetric. Third one is transitive. See, first one is reflexive and second one is symmetric and third one is transitive. Let's see the reflexive, symmetric, transitive. In these three conditions is satisfies, then it is called a equivalent relation. See, in this equivalent relation, all the three conditions. If, do the condition if. In this symmetric is not satisfies in this function. So only symmetric condition is not satisfied. That means the non-symmetric. So in these three conditions are satisfies in the condition reflexive, symmetric and transitive, that is called a equivalent relation. Then the condition only the symmetric is not satisfies if the symmetric is non-symmetric. So in this condition reflexive and non-symmetric and transitive. So in these three conditions satisfies, that it is called a partial ordered set. That it is called a poset. Partially ordered set. See, in this partially ordered set, we are using in the lot of places that the main thing is we are using the AI tool in lattice and Boolean algebra. So let me see that lattice and Boolean algebra. So lattice, there is basically the three conditions will be satisfied. That is a lattice. In this lattice, reflexive, non-symmetric and transitive. Let's see the reflexive. See, first one is reflexive. Let me take the value is uncountable, that infinite value. See, for example, let's take the set A is 1 to also 1 infinity, and then B is 1 to 1 infinity. Let's see that reflexive, that it will be the 1, 1 or 2, 2, all the power sets are there. So, for example, set the power set is X, then 1, 2, 3. There are the power set. It will be 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, and then 3, 1, 3, 2, and 3, 3. So in this power set, X is 1, 2, 3, and so on, empty set. So in these two sets, all the power sets are there, including empty set. Then in this, all the sets are there, then it is called a reflexive, because the A reflexive to J. So belongs to R. So the relation A to A, for example, 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3, 3. So in this conditions are all the real numbers. In the set of 1 to 3, then it is called a reflexive. And then symmetric condition not satisfied also it is called a non-symmetric. So A comma B does not include the B comma A, that is called a non-symmetric. And a transitive A comma B and B comma C, that is A comma C. So in this condition is satisfied, that is called a transitive. So in this basic conditions we are using the partial ordered set. So this is a very big tool in Gen AI for lattice and Boolean algebra. Thank you.